Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to get bank statement from BBVA bank. So guys, first step, first login your account from here. As you can see here guys, first step, login your account with your username and with password. After that guys, all you have to do, select your any type of bank or any type of bank here linked you want to get statement from here, this bank or this, and then guys click three dot line from here and choose the statement from here, as you can see here guys, and then you see this option guys, as you can see here on the screen. Just wait, you see this option, click on this statement from here, then download, and click this icon. You see this confirmation to download. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. So guys, the first step, log in your account and then click to type of the account and save type account from here and select this statement here option, and then click download statement. This one, choose any statement you want to download and confirm your statement to download it. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question.